Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create an Electrum wallet on your phone. Start by downloading the Electrum wallet application directly onto your smartphone. It's crucial to ensure you are downloading the official app from a trusted source, like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Always double-check the developer's name and read recent reviews to confirm its legitimacy. This initial step is vital for your security, as many fake applications exist. Once downloaded, we can move on to setting up your new wallet. Now open the Electrum app and choose to create a new wallet. You'll be prompted to set a strong, unique password. This password encrypts your wallet file, adding an essential layer of security. The most critical step is next. You will receive a 12-word seed phrase. Write this down precisely on paper, in the correct order, and store it in a secure, private location, completely offline. This phrase is your ultimate backup. After writing down your seed phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it by re-entering the words. This ensures you have recorded it correctly. Next, you'll choose your wallet type. For most users, the standard wallet option is ideal, providing a good balance of features and simplicity. If you need advanced security, you might explore multi-signature wallets, but for a basic setup, standard is perfect. Finally, your Electrum wallet will connect to a server. The app typically selects the best server automatically, ensuring a smooth and reliable connection. Once connected, your wallet is fully set up and ready for use. You can now securely send and receive Bitcoin directly from your mobile phone. Remember to regularly update your Electrum application to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.